Hey Sion, how's your day going? Well, I'm glad you asked. See, I'm doing a run of Tiny S2s. I got new panels delivered yesterday because I was out of panels, and I have lots of Tiny S2s to make, and I'm finding that about half of my boards that I'm making have the USB connector sitting in the air. The pins are not even touching the pads, and I'm having to hot air them down. I have to put flux under there and then heat them up really hot and then aggressively push down with the tweezers to get them to go in. And so I started looking at the panels to try to work out what was going on, because I thought maybe they were faulty USB connectors, and it turns out that all the panels I got on this order from JLCPCB have an issue where either they haven't drilled out the holes properly or the solder mask has filled them back in again. But if you look here, there is a hole that is drilled, there is a hole that's not. So the little plastic pegs on the bottom of the USB connectors that align the USB won't go in the holes, and so they won't push through. The pick and place can't push them into it, and even when they reflow, they just sit in the air. So, as you can see, good one, bad one. Good one, average one. Good one, bad one. I mean, average ones, good, bad. Bad. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking this, this is my third one I'm on now, little syringe tip, metal tip, which happens to be a good size, and I'm going through and having to remake these holes by basically cutting in through the solder mask, which is actually quite tough to get through. So this is what I'm doing right now instead of pick and placing. You might hear a pop every time they go through. Pop. I'm going through every single panel and fixing all of these holes so my USB connectors can go on, so I don't have to hot air rework them afterwards. Isn't this fun? This is not how I expected to be spending my day today. And as you can see, it's a considerable amount of holes that are stuffed up. Not every panel is the same. On one panel I only had 4 USB connectors, but so far that's 5 out of 20. This is number 6 out of 20. This ones that might work in, I don't know, but you'll see in a minute that they're... Oh, I bent another one. Damn it. Ah. Yep. Don't know how good that is now. So we won't count that one. So at 7, this one is 7. I'm going to run out of these tips. Well, here's number 8. Yep. This is number 9. So far 9 boards out of a panel of 20 I've had to fix. Oh, make that 10. Seriously, I need to find out where I can order more of these in a hurry. I don't have any drill bits that are small enough. Another one. Oh, another one. I think we finally got a good one. Another one. So how's this for bad odds? Really? This is just the next panel on the list. I didn't go and look for the worst panel that was there, but... So what do you reckon I should do about this? Hey JLCPCB, if anyone's watching, what do you think is a good compensation for me to have to sit here fixing all of these panels so I can pick and place them, because you guys didn't do your job right. I lost track of how many was on there, but what, 65-70% of the board wouldn't have placed USB connectors properly. So now I need to go and fix this other connector. So let's do this now. It's not terribly hard. The issue is, because it's such high temp paste, that I don't want to melt the plastic on the USB connector. So I have to be very careful when I'm heating up the board. And I've also got these pads on the side here, the peg legs, that I need to heat up. So it's quite a large area to heat. You know, as soon as I move away from the peg legs on one side, they start to cool down and harden up again. I have to do this quite slowly so I don't melt the plastic here and the plastic there, and the whole back of the USB connector is plastic. So these are reflowed with SAC 305, which is a high temp lead free paste. And these boards are too small to stick on a rework station. Okay. Here we go. And now I'm going to push it down. Keep pushing. Make sure that's bonding really well. And let go. And that is a fixed USB connector. I can now put this on one of my heat sinks to cool it down. So that is how I'm spending pretty much all of my day after my stream today. Fixing panels of Tiny S2s. There's nothing electrically wrong with them. They're actually pretty good. Gotta say, some of the better alignment work that JLCPCB have ever done, both solder mask and silkscreen. But having to fix all of these USB connectors to make sure that they'll actually work, I don't think this was going to fit through this one. That's painful. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.